looking back, myself and also my colleagues from the committee have been involved in the development of the ESMO Asia program since 2017. And ever since its inauguration, we have seen it grown into one of the largest oncology congress for our region in the Asia Pacific. And before COVID, it was attended by almost 4,000 attendees. And we have seen nearly 1,000 abstracts submitted over the years. It has really blossomed. And our colleagues, especially young oncologists, had opportunity to present their work in a diverse format, from mini orals to profit paper. And since COVID, this is really the first fully on-site congress. And Singapore is a world-class venue to meet all your friends whom you have not met for the last 3 years. So I really look forward to having a great time with all of my friends and to see all of you. And hopefully, if we have a chance to have some chicken rice, the Singapore sling, or some roti prata together with you at Singapore.